Hello everyone. How are you? Wherever you are, how are you doing? I'm fine, guys. I'm just heading to my workplace and I'm so late. Guys, yeah. I'm so late. Yet I am so scared of crossing this mall.
Espera, señora. Ahorita
Yeah.
vas. All right, thanks.
Roma, guys. Good of our end. We are behind time. These are some of the pathways we use right here every day. So you have to be using these footbridges, guys. Yeah. It's so dangerous. But I have to cross it. I have to go somewhere. So I have to be bold enough to cross it. Goodbye, guys. I'm late. I have to go to work.